Channel. Today we are discussing about how you can program a ESP32 using Arduino IDE. First of all, we need Arduino IDE. Then open Arduino IDE. After opening the Arduino IDE, you go to the tool, or you can also in a new version you can also here click here and then search do it ESP32 dev kit v1 because we are now programming a ESP32 dev kit board. And then select comport and OK, and simply upload it. It take a few minutes to compile it. As you can see, the program is uploading. 1 2 3 100. Okay, our program is now uploading successfully. As you can see in the ESP board, the LED is blinking. Inbuilt LED is connecting to two number pins, so our LED is blinking. Arduino ID, you connect first ESP32 board with your computer and select COM port. In my case, the COM3. In your case, others. Then simply go to the upload button, and then it take a few minutes to compile it. After compiling, as you can see, our program is uploading into the ESP32 dev kit board. Our program is successfully uploading onto the ESP32 board. In my case, I already downloaded the ESP32 package, but in your case, you don't show the ESP32. So go to the preferences, and this is URL. I already paste it on this preference, but uh, in the on the description I provide you URL, so you simply paste it and OK. Then go to tools, then board and board manager, and simply search ESP32 and enter it. I already installed it, so in your case, install button, click on the install button, then you install the ESP32 board. Then go to tools and select ESP32 DevKit v1 board. Okay, thank you for watching my video.